Hey all, we're here with Team Immunity's PUBG team in light of Acer Predator League in Bangkok, Thailand, to give you tips and tricks to improve your game. Gentlemen, if you could give over one tip and trick to our audience out there to improve their PUBG game, what would it be, Kasun?
It would probably be map awareness 100%. There's so many locations that people aren't aware of that could save your life in many occasions. It's just the fact that people don't know about things that you could take advantage of.
Find a gun you like and use it till you're proficient with it.
Gun mechanics, yeah. Definitely stay up with your aim, keep practice. That's it, just practice.
I think vehicles are very important, so try to keep vehicles until late game and use them for cover when you can, and try and keep them in play for as long as possible.
Smart tips and tricks there, gentlemen. Hopefully they can improve their PUBG performance.